So, you want to experience the secluded beauty of Thailand's most southern islands, but you're not quite sure of the best way to access them from Bangkok. We understand, avoiding the overcrowded tourist hotspots without sacrificing convenience is challenging.
My wheel's trapped.
But don't worry, we've done the research for you. And in this video, we're going to show you the easiest and quickest way to get all the way from Bangkok to the idyllic island of Koh Mook, a gateway to some of the best hidden gems in the Andaman Sea.
Welcome to paradise. So now we're just going to our gate. So excited!
The quickest way to get to these islands starts with a short flight from Bangkok's Don Mueang Airport to Trang.
Oh, it's a beautiful morning!
For a much cheaper option, you can take a coach or a sleeper train to Trang. In our opinion, it's definitely worth forking out a bit extra and saving a good 12 hours on the journey time.
Well, we're just going to explore some islands and find some hidden gems for you guys.
Several airlines offer flights to Trang, but we found the best deals on Thai Lion Air, as well as the best luggage rates. One of 3 islands located in the Hat Chau Mai National Park, including Koh Nagai and Koh Kradan, Koh Mook is located not too far off the west coast of Trang province. These islands are said to still be relatively untouched by tourism. When booking accommodation, it's worth checking if they provide transfers from the airport. We paid just 350 baht per person to get all the way from the airport to the hotel. Sure enough, the driver was there waiting. The next leg of the journey is an air-conditioned minibus. Expect a bit of white-knuckle driving for around an hour, typical for a minibus ride in Thailand, but the scenery is pretty amazing in this rural part of southern Thailand. At the end of this car ride, something happened which we didn't expect. We were dropped at a random pier we'd never heard of, not the one we'd researched, and we got told to wait another hour.
Do you know what's going on?
No, I have no idea what's going on.
So we've just been dropped off at this pier. We need to wait another 45 minutes for the boat. But there's some food and stuff available around here.
Swadika. Oh yeah, it looks good, huh?
If you do find yourself here, we'll tell you that this pier is very basic. It's a great sign you're off the main tourist trail.
The driver has just got his food and he is complaining about how spicy it is, so I've ordered chili chicken, so I am a little bit scared.
Well, tasty. Yours has already arrived.
Wow.
I think they've gone a little bit easy on the spice, but it's still really spicy.
Delicious. Oh no, there comes the spice. Yes, get me.
Lucky the food turned up quick, because we were called to our ferry just 20 minutes later. The walk down to the ferry is pretty, shall we say, rustic? And you'll soon realise that the ferry is not what you're expecting.
You okay?
My wheel's trapped.
You feel that?
Yeah.
It turns out the ferry from this pier is actually just a Longtail boat.
Oh, perfect. Okay. That was fun. Here we go. You know you're going somewhere serious when the ferry is actually a Longtail boat.
Oh, baby, don't cry, don't cry, 'cause there's always tomorrow, yeah.
You'll be taken through the mangroves that open out to limestone cliffs and turquoise waters.
I would be with you every second of
You'll get the feeling that you're headed somewhere truly special.
just another day to get through, but it's not easy when you're blind from the truth.
You'll quickly notice there are no cars here, just mopeds, bicycles and the legendary tricycle taxis.
So far we have taken a taxi, a plane, a minibus, a Longtail, and now we're in this little, I think they're called tricycles on the island. When we pulled in here, it was like we were arriving an island from Moana.
Well, it took a whole 2 minutes to arrive at our accommodation. Welcome to Mook Boonchu Hotel, our home on this paradise island for the next 4 nights. Clean, air-conditioned, with a hot shower and just a few minutes from the main beach. So, let's go explore.
Look, they got loads of clothes and little beach shorts and things I can buy.
Out of the 3 islands, Koh Mook is the only island with a local population, which adds to the authentic feel of the place. There's one main tourist strip that runs through the village with reggae bars, fruit shake stalls, and some small local shops selling amenities. Just watch out for the bikes on this narrow brick path as the locals zip back and forth. Even the kids are driving scooters here.
This is literally paradise. I can't even.
The main village is only on this little triangular part of the island, and the rest being pretty much uninhabited. The main beach is called Civilai Beach. With the main resort on the tip of this sandbar, longtail boats line up all along the shore. Crabs scuttle across the sand and seabirds hunt and fly overhead.
We've just seen a sea eagle swooping. So cool.
You're surrounded by nature and can instantly feel the relaxed pace of island life. But we haven't even shown you the best part yet.
So first impressions of Koh Mook is that it's definitely a very local island. Even though you've got a few tourists around and you've got resorts and amenities and stuff, but there's a real community here. There's a lot of locals about. You've got a lot of children driving around on motorbikes, which is quite amusing.
Really young.
There's no cars around. We haven't managed to explore much of the island yet, but it's a lovely, just a laid-back island vibe.
Yeah.
At sunset, the best place to go is Charlie Beach. But to get there, you need to hire a scooter or get one of the taxis.
Now we are heading over to Charlie Beach, which is the sunset beach, because we can't miss that on our first night in the island.
The journey starts off as a calm ride on the brick pathways, but all that was about to change.
This driver's a speed demon. He knows sunset waits for no man or woman. Got to be a professional to drive this. This is great.
Oh my god,
Look at that. Oh my god.
What? It must feel like we've walked into a movie.
That is phenomenal. That's like King Kong.
It's absolutely magical. You definitely have to come and experience this.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you. You're my one and only, like I told you. I'll be there.
So the sun's just gone down, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, this symphony of wilderness just kicks off behind us, and I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but it's just might be the loudest I've ever heard. Amazing.
This is only our first day on Koh Mook and we've barely scratched the surface. Still not convinced? We've got a lot more that we can't wait to show you in the next episodes. And in our next video, we'll take you to what has been officially called the most beautiful beach in the world. And we'll show you how to get there before sunrise on a private boat before the crowd show up. Want to know if it's worth the hype? Hit subscribe and we'll show you in the next video.